Hi guys. So who are coming to online, just let me know that I am able, so are you people able to hear my voice or not? Just let me that I am able, sorry. If you people are able to hear me, then just ping me on the comments in the chat so that we will start. Are you able to hear my voice? Is it clear, my voice? Chandra. So, hi Chandra. So if anybody is having any doubts or anything, so after a long time we are coming to live, right? Yeah. So Romans is telling that yes, I am able to hear me. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So after a long time we are coming to live. Actually, this is the first time. So suddenly I am coming to live today. Let us wait. Some people will be coming to live. Yeah, you people are having any doubts or anything so about the playlist and all those things. If I want to improve anything, if you have any doubts, yeah, Rakesh has been hello. Yeah, hi Rakesh, how are you? TGR tech stack has been, yeah, hi bro. Hi, yeah, hi bro. People are coming one by one. Live. Deep Datta. Hello Leela. Yeah, hi. So if anybody is having anything means let me know. So Rakesh, if you have anything. We are doing this Angular playlist, right? So we are working on this Angular animations. Hopefully with 10 days I will be completing. So I'm having little bit of work. So that is the reason I'm doing very slowly. Then afterwards we need to think. So I will be most probably I will be starting the React course. So complete React from starting onwards I will do again. So I will this time I will do it very quickly. That is the plan for me. After the React, we will plan. So Angular signals is there. So I need to cover this Angular signals also. Small little bit of project also. I am planning to do in the Angular 16 signals. So there is a new concept which has been introduced in Angular 16. So like just like the change detection strategy, we can also use the computed effects means like watch property, which we'll be having in Vue.js and React. Same like that, we'll be also having in the Angular signals also. So those things also we will cover. Which one is better, Bootstrap versus the Angular material? So both are okay, fine. Depends on the requirement we will be doing. I will do the playlist on this Angular material also soon after this year only. I will do it. Then afterwards, I will explain you what which one is important and all the things. Bootstrap. Recently, so these days we will be using what I can say is Tailwind. I am using most of the time. I have stopped using the Bootstrap. I'm using the Tailwind CSS. Yeah, I need to do this page performance also. Actually, what I was planning was to increase the page speed. So if you try to observe, we'll be having a Google page speed, right? Page speed dot dev will be having. So we will be checking those all things percentage. So in mobile we need to have something like 80 percentage, 70 percentage, like that we need to get it. So that could be possible just because of the cumulative layout shift. How we will be using this cumulative layout shift. largest content pane, first content pane. So the first time the content, HTML parsing and CSS parsing. We already covered those things in some of things in DOM and CSS SOM. So these are all things we have covered. So I need to do. So we have the complete, what I can say is the Google has given us complete thing, web.dev, to try to observe the documentation, everything. I need to read those all things. We need to work on this cumulative layout shift, how we can increase the speed performance. So we will work on that one. Not only for the Vue.js, for entire any type of application, we need to increase the page performance thing. So page performance is nothing but how much speed this performance will be given by the Google. So if you increase that performance, automatically all the performance will be increased. I will do it. Sure, I will do it that one. So we have those all things. Those are comes little bit of advanced thing. We'll do it. Enthusiastic. So he has told that we have learned Angular from yours. Yeah, thank you. Signals are not like Redux. So what I can say is these are something like a, variables and properties only, which you, for example, let's say that in TS file you will be mentioning x is equal to 1, and you can use the text in that template directly, right? And if you change the x value, automatically the template also will be re-rendered. Now here, instead of using the x, you will declare that one as a signal of x. Now performance will be increased. So that is the reason. Slowly they are migrating because of the performance issues and all those things. Slowly they are finding other ways to increase the performance of that one. So why? Because this detection and change detection and all those things are having some affecting the issues. So that is the reason for increasing performance. They have come with the signals. Yeah, I will start the React after completing this Angular course. So 10 days or something like that. Soon I will start. So Learn Code is always commenting me when you will start, when you will start. I will start. I will start after this course only. I will start it. By I'm having little bit of personal work and all those things. Slowly I am doing. Soon we will start. That is the thing. So page performance will do it. These all things it will be having in my bucket list. Signals also I will do Angular signals, and React also I will do it. And we have some other things also. Uh, yeah, thank you. So you in our channel, what we are having is we have covered most of the things in Angular and Vue. React, but I haven't touched most of the things. Why? Because React we have so many tutorials or playlists or any documentation. Everything is there. Reacting. Angular and Vue little bit of things. Angular we have some complex type of documentation. Vue means little bit of documentation we'll be having. So that is the reason I concentrated more on Angular and Vue. So from now onwards, we will concentrate on this. What I can say, this React also. It will take some. These all matters of the time, right? So this time it will take so much of time. Yeah, the two we are planning. We are trying to do daily 2 videos, something like that. We are trying to post it. I'm trying my level best to in order to do these all things. So that is the thing I can tell. We will from now onwards. I will start. I will do daily. Maximum. I will try for the daily 2 videos. At least one video I will try. Testing, I have already did testing on this Angular testing. So there is very good very good playlist, that one. So if you have time, so take a look at that one also. Very nice. I have did it. I'm much satisfied with the playlist which I have did. One of the satisfied playlist is Angular testing. You check that one. We'll also do with the this one is came, right. So white testing also we have it, white test. So we'll do it with the white test, and just also it'll start in the React and all those things. We'll do it testing also. Again, I will start. Previously, I have did this all testing. I have did one complete playlist on the Jasmine at the time. Only Jasmine with the JavaScript testing I have did it. And afterwards, I have started with the Angular testing. Now we will do with the Jest, and we'll do with Vue or React, anything. We'll do with the testing for that one also. Things we'll do it. So anything. So if you people have anything, so if you want me to do anything, so just let me know. So I will make a note of this one all. So I have so performance thing, React and testing also I will have it. Testing means what type of testing also, let me know, CGR tech. So you want a just or a white test or anything, unit testing with the new testing, or you want ETE testing like Playwright, Cypress, like this, let me know. You can have a note. Learning path means in which way? In which way good learning path means? So you are taking any career path like front end thing, or Angular. So which learning path you want to know? So in JavaScript means I can suggest you go through my HTML playlist first. Next, you can go with the CSS playlist. Then we have the DOM, which I have did it. JavaScript DOM I have did it. And then afterwards we have an Ajax also, which I have did it from this. So you might be thinking that those are all things I have known, but I have did in depth about the Ajax things and all those things. So you take a look at those things also. It's a matter of time, right? So you, whenever you are having some time, just to take a look, yeah, forward, take a look at it. You can learn something. Then afterwards, whatever the framework you want, you can take a look at that one, Angular or React or Vue. Because the rest of all React list is outdated, no and good price. Yeah, yeah, sure. I will start. We will start it. We'll start. Let me know. So I need to also prepare it, right? I need to also search some different things how they are performing, and I need to take the best out of it. I will take it. Yeah, Angular means I have one thing like Angular. So we have a lot of things in an Angular. Angular complete is there, and you can go for the RxJS. We have did it RxJS, and I have did it for declarative reactive programming. And declarative reactive programming is also one of the nice playlist. You will be learning in depth about the RxJS, how these all RxJS operators work in combination. Then you can go for NGRX. You need to do with NGXS also. Seem like NGRX only it will be there. NGXS also we will do it. So these are the four things. If you learn it, then afterwards you can go for Angular testing. Now Angular animations. You can go later on. These are all advanced things. So first learn the Angular complete playlist, then go for the RxJS, or otherwise vice versa you can go. RxJS you can go, then afterwards declarative reactive programming. Then afterwards, what I can say is NGRX. This is the path which you can have it. That is the thing I can suggest you in Angular. So before that Angular, you can go for JavaScript, DOM, TypeScript, these all things you can go. Yeah, so what I was doing was the white also we can do it with a roll up thing and all the things, but this white is a real newly came, right? So we are not having the so much of support or anything for this white thing. So we will work it out in the white also. So we will do it. These all roll up options. What are the options are available? We'll do it with this white also. So it's something like it build on the ES build. Actually, Webpack and all those things. What it will try to do is it will try to bundle these all the JavaScript and all those things. It was developed in the ES build. If you try to see ES build is a new technique which has came for bundling of this all one of all these. So with ES build. So first we need to learn about the ES build, how the ES build works and all those things. Then we can understand more about this white thing. So I need to switch my job to why you want to switch your job. So what is that current you are doing CGR Tech? So I told that I can know. So suggest me for interview purpose. I have 3 years of experience. You need to switch my job. So that means already you are as a working as a front end developer. So you want to switch your job. I'm thinking also like that. Working in an Angular in my company. So I need to switch my job. So suggest me interview purpose. I have 3 years of experience. Okay. Yeah, so these things. So what I told you, right? The playlist and all those things. So go through these all the things, and you can put it. And also I can say that in Chat GPT we are also having. So just type in Chat GPT also, or here you can search it. I didn't remember Google. What is that having? Bard. I think I didn't remember. You can search any Angular interview questions or something like that. So it will give you some pretty much useful things. So you can go with that one also. Akada. So just join the chat to say thank you. Your Angular videos are helping me a lot in these interviews. Yeah, thank you. So because of that reason only I have kept it. So that is the thing which I can tell you. So try to see those things also. Don't underestimate this JavaScript and all those things. So try to learn this JavaScript DOM and all those things also. So which it will be very much useful for you only. Why? Because directly jumping onto the Angular without knowing this JavaScript and all those things will create some issues. So not create issues. So you will be having some problem. So that is the reason. So I'm asking you, I'm telling you to whenever you have an time, just check this one. So I said performance things and all the things. I already did 7 videos or something like that. You can You can check those things also. HTTP protocol also I need to do it. CSS, we have so many things I need to do in the CSS also. I have did 53 videos, something like CSS. I stopped it at the grid layout, but we have some other things like pseudo elements. These are all the things I need to do. So many topics are there, which I didn't remember exactly. We have some concepts also which I want to explain you, like animations. I need to tell in the CSS. I need to cover the responsive website design, how to do it, and I need to do about the what I can say is a text thing, typography, how we will be using overflow, transitions, gradients, this is JDindex, shadows, borders. These are all the things I need to explain. Then afterwards I need to go to the responsive design also. I need to explain the responsive design like macro layouts, micro layouts, and what I can say is container queries. These are all the things also we need to learn it. So these are all depth concepts which we will learn it. CGR Tech is telling that because of the career growth, present company not providing sufficient package compared to other companies. I am working. Okay. I'm working both Angular and Spring Boot. Fine. That so you should be satisfied in both the things. What I can say is in your career also you need to be satisfied as well as in the sufficient package also. If one of the thing is not satisfied means, so you will feel uncomfortable. I know about that one. So you should have a package and also you should have a good career growth also. Both of the things exist only, then only you can able to satisfy or you can able to survive or anything. Otherwise, you cannot show any focus or anything. Yeah. So yeah, try whichever is good for you. So right. So if you want to have it means you can try. So that's not a problem. That's the thing I can suggest. Try to have a decent package. So I will not say that learn first, then only it will come. So that one will come automatically. Things I don't know actually. I need I need to learn this one. So right now you are saying about the new things. So just I need to learn. I need to check those things. So many things will be there which we don't know. We'll try to look at that one. Creative animations and all basic animations only I can do. I don't know. I don't have that much of animations things and all those things. I don't know. But I know the basic animations. Like I can open a pop up. I can do a what I can say is slider banner images slider thing. I can do on my own. Those things I can do. Yeah, and form has been hello teacher. I learned so much from your lessons. Yeah, thank you. So me too. So why? Because while teaching to you, I am also able to learn. Previously, what I used to do is I used to waste the time, so much of time. Then afterwards, I realized that okay, why can't we put all the things which I have learned, which I know, which I don't know, let me learn from somewhere else or something like that, and let us post in our thing so that we can have a library. I can have a library. If I have a library or anything means you can also get access and all those things. Then afterwards I can get it. I got it. These all things. Not for YouTube money or something like that. So you from YouTube money, see because of my views and all those things, you can able to understand. So I don't get any money or anything, but I will be posting daily one video like that. You can see my videos, recent videos or something which I posted. I will get only 10 to 20 views only. See my enter Angular animations also. I'll be getting 100 or something like that. So just what I want is I need to have a library. Tomorrow, if I forget, I can go now. I know what are the videos, 2000 videos I have did it. So now if I have any doubts or anything, now suddenly I will get a scenario something like I need to remove a child from the DOM. I need to remove an element from the DOM. So what I need to do, so I didn't remember. Suddenly I will not remember. So I will go and search in the Stack Overflow or something like that. Immediately by seeing the code, I will be able to realize it, and also I will be able to realize what the video I have did it. I already did it. How to remove the chain, how to remove an element from the DOM. So we can for all the browsers, if we need to work means we need to catch the parent and we need to do the remove child. Or otherwise, in the latest browsers, if you want to support means you can directly catch that element and you can do dot remove. It will not work on all the browsers. IE will create some issue. If you want to make your thing work in IE also means then you need to catch the parent and you need to do remove child. So the like that. So we will be able to understand it. So for those reasons only, I am doing these all the videos and also that we can have a library. So everyone can have a library. Everyone who is following me or me too also, I am also a learner from my channel. I can also able to see. Yeah, that is the only thing. So you people can able to understand so how much efforts we are keeping. So this, I am not feeling any pain or anything. No, no, I am not feeling any disappointment or anything. So just I am telling you that don't think that like this. So I will continue I will continue doing all the videos. So we will develop. So that is the main thing. We all will develop. I will develop. We will develop. I all will develop. That is the only thing that I can suggest you. So you people also can do another way to memorize your work and all those things. I will also take. I will also suggest you these all things. Try to practice daily. That is the only thing which I can suggest. The only thing, guys. So we will do these all things. Responsive design also. I will do container. So we are having right now the media queries, right? We also are having another new concept is going to be coming. That is container queries. We'll learn about this one. I will also do about the performance things which somebody has told me. Accessibility, privacy. We need to do another important thing also. PW also we have forgot to do. Actually, progressive web apps. So how to develop this PW apps also we need to learn. We need to do it actually. I will work on those PW. I will do a series on this one also. I have in my mind long back only, but for some reasons going on, I have forgot. That is the only thing. So let me know, guys. So if you want me to come daily Sunday, something like that, if you want me to come in online, let me know in this chat so that we will try to meet every Sunday. I will try to come at 4 o'clock or something like that. Let me know the timing also. Just let me know. I will try to prepare myself to come daily. This time onwards, this week, every Sunday, I am planning to come live so that I can able to know, I can able to hear your feedbacks and all those things. So what are the things I need to improve, and what are the so to what I can say is learn code has to told me that to do the React. So I actually the next course to do the React I don't have in my mind. So just because of the subscribers they are asking me, right? So because of that reason, so I have decided to do the React. The two React as I have did it long back. I didn't show that much of interest on that one. I will do it. So let me know your comments. I have learned declarative using and RxJS, but combine both is. Can you give me advice to do deal with it? Yeah, those two are what I can say is you cannot combine both the things. So these two are different design patterns. What I can say is design pattern of doing the code. NGRX is a state management pattern. That is a state pattern, and this is a declarative pattern. So these both don't make in a in one. What I can say is don't try to keep it in one table or something like that. So both are different ways of working on that one. In GRX will be a little bit easy, so that pattern will be a little bit easy. So don't combine those things. So both are different. Can come live, bro, but explain what I just explained one topic which is useful for us. Okay, so you want me to come live and explain me those all topics you are saying. So we'll try, we'll do that one also. Why I'm trying to, why I'm telling you to that I will come live means so just in order to know your feedback and all those things. So that is the reason I'm telling. Previously, I thought of coming to live because you when you try to see my videos in my one playlist, you'll be able to see Angular live sessions, CSS live sessions like that we used to have. Actually, those sessions are all those things which I am trying to give in my office. Actually, in my company, I am giving something like a not training, technical things I am trying to give. So those things I have tried to kept in the live also. But my system is little bit of slow. What I can say is there are so many softwares and all those things running in my system. My system is a little bit of slow. It cannot able to handle those things. When I try, if you try to see my some videos also, my system, the Visual Studio Code also doesn't support me when I'm doing the recording and all those things. It is very slow. My system is a pretty old one actually, so I need to replace it, but it will take some time. That is the thing. That is the thing I cannot able to, or otherwise I will do the live coding and all those things only. So I can take some time and I will do 1 hour. I can do one session, something like that. We can do it, but my system doesn't support it. That is the main problem I'm having. I'm doing the live and all those things means it will get stuck. Now if I try to share my screen and all those things means again my system will stuck. Some videos will be there. If you try to observe my some videos will be there. When I'm trying to write the code, the screen will be hanged in some between and it will be coming afterwards. My voice will be coming clearly, but the screen will be hanging. So some videos has gone like that. MongoDB course especially. That course has become like that. So that is the reason I'm staying. With each React topic, give exercise to for a better handsome for each topic. Yeah, sure. I will try to give it. We'll try to do it. Hmm. So that's. Is there anything that you people want to discuss? We'll try to come every Sunday. So everybody who is having doubts or anything, so let me know. The feedback also you can give me. Now you have got some feedbacks. I will try to follow those things. Whichever it is there, I will try to follow. So somebody has told me that teachers with using white and something like that they have told me, right? So I will try to check those all things also. I will try to consider it. White and testing. So they told me to do the testing. So React is already there in the top. Performance thing. These are the things which I have missed it out. So let me know. Performance thing also they have told me will have in my bucket. These all things. These are the things which I want to tell you. Is there any guys who need PHP? So first we started our what I can say our channel with PHP Laravel only. Forget Mac M2. it price so much. Already I have seen that one. What I can say Mac Pro M2 Max. It is that one. It was around 3,90,000 something like that. It was there. I didn't remember exact price. We'll see. We'll get it one day. Can I start directly watching Angular testing videos or before that I need to watch JavaScript testing? Uh, First see the JavaScript testing. So I can suggest you. So it will take some couple of hours only. Just go through this all JavaScript testing. Then you will have an overview. Then you will be able to understand Angular testing very easily. Because Angular testing is dependent on the Jasmine and all those things, right? So immediately you can learn very easily. So first how the Jasmine will do and all those things. Then afterwards you can understand the depth. Directly if you go to the Angular testing means you can able to understand, but you don't know the fundamentals and all this. I will suggest you it's a matter of time only. You can take a little bit of hours, couple of hours. It will take some extra time. That's it only. Right? You can learn it. One time learn only, then you will have a clear understanding. Go with JavaScript testing, Jasmine testing, and all those things. Then go for Angular testing. I can suggest you like. So, is there anything? Yeah. Welcome CGR. So you can do it. And in Vue.js, if you try to observe in our playlist, we have three types of things. One is Vue complete course is there. Vue.js course for beginners it is there. It's an outdated thing, so remove that one. Not remove that one. Don't try to follow that one. And we are having two playlists, which is Vue.js 3 complete course tutorial, and recently which we have completed Vue 3 composition API with Pinia. So these two are important things. One is completely on the options API, and another one is on composition API, completely on composition API. And at that two, I have used the state management pattern Pinia in that one. But previously, this previous on Vue.js 3 complete course, that one is completely on the what I can say is options API with Vuex. So that one is also getting outdated. If you try to see in Vue.js, if you open the documentation, they are telling that Vue.js 2 support will be ended in December 31st, 2023. This year end only it will be going to be end. That means the support will not be there. So tomorrow, if any security fixes or anything means they are not going to fix in the Vue 2. So we need to migrate it to Vue 3. So you want to know about the negotiation and any other soft skill related and on daily basis coding will be there. Yeah, I will try to do it. Those all things. So, coming to live also and doing the coding also, then some people will feel bored. I think. So just you will try to know. So whatever the playlist I have did it. and how to learn these all the things. Just I want to know. Who are interested in Node and all those things also, I have did the playlist. Half of the middle of the playlist only I have stopped it. That one MongoDB, with MongoDB also I need to do it. So for change, just for change, I have changed it to CSS and all those things. So you can, some playlists are there actually which I have stopped in the middle. CSS is there, Node is there, MongoDB is also some places I have stopped it. I think I didn't remember exactly. Webpack also I need to do module bundler. I need to work on the Webpack 5. I need to do a playlist on this Webpack 5. So many days onwards, I am thinking to do this Webpack 5 also. I forgot to do this. ES6 and JavaScript, TypeScript. Who are coming beginners, 2 years, 3 years experience. So they try to learn those all things, prototypes and all those things. That's the only thing. Git is also very much important in my important playlist, which I got so much of what I can say is a recommendation for that one. So many people recommended that one. Git also, you it's a very simple only, simple phase only I have did it. I don't want to go into the deeper GitHub like GitHub actions and all those things. I didn't went. One day we will do it. Those all things also. So you can learn this Git also. So we are working as a front end or back end or any developer. Try to look at that Git course also. That is also one of the important thing which I can suggest you. That's the only thing which we have covered. ESLint is also, ESLint playlist is also one of the important one. So many people, in big companies when you join, so almost every project has a linting. ESLint has been deprecated, so we are not using the TSLint. We are using only the ESLint. So how much total experience in tech industry? How you gain too much stacks? What I can say is totally I'm having 12 years of experience in this IT industry. I have worked in so many platforms actually. I worked as in digital marketing. I have worked on some not exactly digital marketing. What I can say is SEO, doing this on-page SEO. Why? Because I have the coding abilities and all those things. So our client has asked us to bring this in the Google page speed and all those things, page rank. I didn't remember whether this page rank and all those things exist now. I think page rank will be there. I think every website needs to have a page rank so that it will be ranked in the Google search engines for separate keyword and all those things. So I need to do on page SEO and all those things. So at that time I started my career actually. So I have a wide variety of platforms I have did it. I worked in Java, Java basic thing only I worked it. Then of course most of things I worked in the backend in the PHP and MySQL and these things I worked in Redis I have worked it. So big applications I have developed. And AWS also I worked in. So these are all the technical stacks I worked in. My native is what I can say is from Hyderabad only. Actually, I was born in Hyderabad. My mother is from Hyderabad. My father is from Telangana only, some other place. So we shifted to Vijayawada actually by some what is for studies purpose. At the time when I was what I can say is when I was a child, at the time Guntur and Vijayawada it was good in studies. Right now everything was widespread. At the time we used to have Vijayawada and all those things is very famous for studies. So my father and we shifted to there. Then afterwards again we shifted to Hyderabad only. I'm staying in Hyderabad. That is the thing I can say. My mother and father is from Hyderabad only, not Hyderabad, near to Hyderabad, nearby villages they'll be. That's the only thing which I can say. Most of the relation I have within Guntur and Vijayawada only. Why? Because my family's relatives, everyone will be staying here only. But I have my childhood memories and all those things there only. So I will feel more comfortable when I go there, something like that. So I belongs to both the states, which I can how I can say is I belongs to both the states. One thing you don't know that my still my license and all those things are from Guntur only. So they at the time only at the time of studies and all those things, I took my license and all those things. The address and all those things are there only. My Aadhaar card recently shifted. My Aadhaar card was to Hyderabad. It was like this. So mixed it is there. This is the thing which I can tell you. So these are some of the playlists important playlist which we have did to our channel starting onwards. Which let me know in your chat and all those things which playlist you like the most. Yeah, we will do it. We will do those things also. AWS and Azure also. Azure or AWS, whichever we want to do it. I will plan Docker and all those things. We'll do it. We'll try to deploy one Node.js application. We'll do with the Redis. All things we'll do it. These all things, right? So it takes time. Time matters most. Whenever I will get time, or otherwise I need to decrease the content for every playlist. If we decrease the content means the content will go away. So that is the reason not doing. We'll do it. We'll do one by one, one by one, one by one, phase by phase, phase by phase. We'll go. I need to work it. So many people have suggested me to work on the mobile apps also, like React Native, Ionic, and Flutter. Also, so many people have suggested me to do that one also. My system emulator and all those things means it will go away. So that is the reason. So why? Because we have these many playlists, right? One playlist is also not there in mobile thing. One playlist is also not there. What is the thing is because the system asked first what I thought was to do this Angular course Ionic. I thought of doing this Ionic. Already we have did so much thing in Angular, right? So why can't we do this Ionic also? I thought, but my system doesn't support this emulator and all those things. So that is the reason. What I thought was, so let us complete the desktop things and all those things. Then afterwards we'll go for a mobile, like that I thought. So still we are on the desktop phase only, doing these, all these many things are there. That is the reason. So what I can say is web.dev, which was the website belongs to the Chrome developers, not Chrome, Google developers. So whenever you have time or anything means try to read the documentation in that one. So I used to follow in that one. Why? Because the browser's latest things and the latest what I can say is web development, the latest and all those things by the Chrome team. So these were developed by the Chrome team, written by the Chrome team. They will daily update the documentation and all those things. Whenever you get time or anything means try to follow. Yeah, I will take some time and I will do it. It's not a thing. Mm. So that's it, guys. So we'll meet on next Sunday. So half an hour have came. So we will meet on the next Sunday. I will go. If you have anything or any doubts or anything or any feedback means let me know in the comments or anything. I will try to give the reply whenever I get time. That is the only thing. Or otherwise from now onwards what I will do is I will try to come daily Sunday, half an hour I will come. Whoever may be having doubts or anything means feedbacks, anything if I want to improve or anything. Whichever suggestions you want to give me means I will come at 4 o'clock, something like that, depending on the timing. I will let you know in the community post. I will post it one day before only. This time I have posted it very late. I have posted it. From next onwards, I will post one day before only. Whoever is interested or anything means so they can join my live stream. So that's it, guys. So I am signing off. So whoever is interested means so support me by subscribing to my channel. So from tomorrow onwards, I will come with Angular animations, and next onwards we will start with the reacting. Next week we will discuss it. So that's it, guys. So we will catch you on the next week.